I've always wanted to try fufu.
I boiled some more water because I gotta try it again. Here we go again. 1 cup. I may start off with a whisk first. Cause like me, I wonder if that's why it was lumpy. It look like it want to get lumpy again. Don't do that. This is the first batch. I don't know how long that the one I gotta take for it though. And quite frankly, I want to do a taste test it. I don't think it's that serious. So wrap. We can live with this. Is that alright? So I was impatient. So I have 2 pots of fufu. This is the recent one. This one looks a little bit better than this one. So that one is lumpy. A bit more smooth. Look a bit more closer to the picture, you know? Never too soft. I'm gonna add my oxtail. This is how it's looking. How did I do? And you know fufu and you know they don't use a fork or nothing. How they do it? I think I mine too soft. It really tastes like nothing. It tastes like nothing. I mean, you could like take a little salt. Try with the oxtail. I guess it's the stew you put it with. Give it flavor. You know, smell no way. You know, taste no. So, oxtail nice though. Given my attempts. Did I do it right? Let's make your Nigerian friend when you need her. And this is why, even if I can't root you, I try this again. I would definitely try this again. And fufu like the yam or so, because left in my plate. It wasn't bad. Now I can cross fufu off my list.